Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever clicked a link on your Mac and it opened in the wrong browser? Maybe you prefer Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari or another browser. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the default browser on your Mac in less than a minute. Let's get started. First, you click on your Apple menu, then click on System Preferences. Now you can see here General. Click on General. Now scroll down and you can see here Default Web Browser. It is Google Chrome selected. Just click on the arrow and select it your preferred default web browser. Now I have selected Safari. I can change it to Microsoft Edge or Chrome, anything which I want. Okay, now there is an alternative method for Google Chrome. If you are using Google Chrome, there's another quick method. First, open your Google Chrome. Now you can see here the three dots. Click on it. Now go on Settings at the bottom. Now at the left sidebar you can see here Default Browser. Click on it. Now I have already selected my Google Chrome as a default browser. That's why it is saying Google Chrome is your default browser. If I selected another browser, here I will see an option of make it default browser. I will click here and I will make my Google Chrome the default browser. Okay, there is an alternative method for Microsoft Edge as well. Open your Microsoft Edge first. See here the three dot, click on it. Now at the bottom click on Settings. Now at the left sidebar you can see here the default browser option. Click on it. Now you can see here the make default browser button. Just click on it and click on Use Edge. Now I have changed my default browser to Edge. What if the browser does not appear? If your preferred browser is not listed, make sure the browser is installed correctly. Update the browser to the latest version. Restart your Mac and check back again. Reinstall the browser if necessary. Once installed properly, it should appear in the default browser list. Okay, changing the default browser does not remove Safari from your Mac. Safari will remain installed, but all web links will automatically open in the browser you have selected. And that's how change the default browser on a Mac. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and check out our other Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.